Good morning, Tube. Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is the last day of the year, guys. Today is December 31st. It's the last day of 2018, guys. Explain something to you guys. If you guys aren't working on New Year's Eve, unless you're out of town, unless you're out somewhere on vacation, if you're just taking today off, if you're not working today, guys, you are leaving money on the table. Today is a work day. Today is one of the busiest days of the year. Although I have to say that this week has been a little bit of a not as busy as last week, you know, and normally they're par and par. So I expect it to be real busy today. It's the end of the year, guys. Tomorrow's 2019. If you think this year went by fast, guys, you have no idea. The years go by faster and faster as you get older. You know what I mean? So for you young guys that are getting started and just getting started in this business and you feel like, damn, this year went by fast. Well, that's the way they are. That's the way the years. And guess what? They're going to get faster and faster. Before you know it, every year is just going to be another blink of an eye. I'm already going to be 50 yeyears old this year. This year I'm hitting 50. I was born in 1969. So can you imagine? Come on, guys. I'm not that I don't feel old. Yeah, sometimes my back hurts today. You know, this week I got a little sick, and it's not always hunky-dory. But, guys, this is what this business is like. You know, this business it can tear you down. So you have to take care of yourself, and, you know, you have to be fit, and you have to keep your mind in the game, because if you don't, you could lose it. I mean, you could get tired of burned out. I've gotten burned out a few times doing this. And you just step back, reassess, and keep grinding, and that's what it's all about. But guys, I shared some of my goals with you guys last week, earlier this week in my vlogs. I shared with you guys how I'm increasing the prices at my shop, and I feel that every shop should increase every year. You should go up at least $1, and you know, and progress. This is what it's all about. It's all about progressing. So 2019 is going to be interesting. I'm going to start it off this year with January. I'm doing the IC Barber Battle again, the MLB Barber Battle. I've been doing it for the last 3 years. This will be my, I want to say this is my 4th year competing, or maybe my 3rd year competing. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's my 4th year. The first year I took the fast fade. So this year I want to come back strong again. I want to win. I really do want to win. So I'm going to use a different strategy this year. And you know, barber battling is a lot of strategy. You can't just come in and do the easiest haircut and try to, you know, it's all about impressing the judges and impressing the people that are judging you. So this year I'm going to try a little something different. I'm going in with a different attitude and see how it goes. I expressed with you guys that this year I'm getting married. So this year I'm getting married. So that's a big deal in my life too. So there's a lot of things going on professionally. There's a lot of things I want to do too. But, you know, this year I'm just going to keep grinding. And there's some upgrades I'm going to make at the shop. And I'm looking into... Oh, another thing this year, I'm paying off my loan that I originally had when I opened up my shop. So this is the final year of paying that off. Plus, this year is the 10th year anniversary of our shop. So we've been in business now for 10 years. So there's a lot of things going on this year that are exciting. And I'll get into that later. But today, I'm headed to the shop right now. I'm running a little late today. It's almost 9 a.m., but we don't open till 9 a.m. My first appointment's at 10. I actually, for being New Year's Eve, I only have 2 appointments all day, so it's going to be all walk-ins. So I ain't tripping. If it's busy, it is. If it isn't busy, then, you know, maybe we'll leave a little early and give the boys the rest of the day off. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys are grinding. Hope you guys are going to have a great New Year's Eve tonight. I hope you guys make some money today, and let's grind on. You know, this year, guys, here's a little motivation for you. It's a new year, should be a new you, you know? Make yourself better. If you're not going to school, you go to school. If you have your license and you're not busy, make yourself busy. You know, if you don't do it, who's going to do it for you? You got to do it for yourself. Motivate yourself. That's what you got to do. You want to be successful, it's all about motivation and having the right mindset. So this year, for the new year, you should set yourself a goal. Set yourself something, something you want to accomplish, something small you want to accomplish from here till June, and then something else that you want to accomplish bigger than that from here till next year. Where do you want your barbering career to be next year at this point? Like, you want to be working at the same place? You want to be owning a spot? You want to have, some of you have to barely get into school, you know? You have to get into school, guys. You can't be a barber if you're not going to school. If you don't have a license, no such thing as being a barber. Even if you're working somewhere, you know, you want to be a real barber, you got to have a barber license, guys. Got to have a barber license. So this year, make it a point, set goals, you know, do the right thing. Do the right thing. Get a good mindset. Motivate yourself to set a goal and stick with it and accomplish it, you know. And guess what, guys? Barbering is a career. Yeah, I love it. It's a life like no other. But you got to work hard. If you don't work hard, then you want to be a mediocre barber, then you can be a mediocre barber. Some people are happy with that. I see it all the time, you know. They just, you know, they're happy where they're at, and you know, they don't want to progress, you know. So it's up to you guys. You want to get better? Do you want to do more? Do you want to get, you know, take it to a different level? Then you have to study and work hard. And study, this is a craft, and get better at it. And you know, it's repetitious. The more haircuts you get, the better you're gonna get. And that's just plain and simple as that. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go pick up some lunch right now, and I'm gonna head back to the shop and finish this day off. We close at 4 o'clock today, so it's gonna be we only have maybe like 3 more hours to go. But you know, here it's not today's not a national holiday, so everybody had to go to work. So people are getting off work right now. So I expect it to get really, really busy right now in the afternoon. So I'm gonna go pick up this lunch and then head back to the shop and finish up. All right, guys, I'll see you guys later. For this day, this week, and this year. 2018 is officially over, guys. I did my last haircut today, and guess what? It was on a brand new customer, so which was interesting. I wish I would have done a video on him. I wish I would have took a picture of him, but I didn't. I think I won him over, got him on our crew. And that's what it takes, guys. That's what it's all about. It's about winning customers over and getting them to like your services, like where you work, like where you're at, you know. Develop yourself. Develop yourself, get yourself better. When I developed this channel, it was for helping you guys, the barbers, barber industry. I want to do my part, you know, and that's why I developed this channel. It's not for nothing. It's not for making money, or it's not for, because I'm not making anything. This is, if anything, this is a burden on me, if you want to call it that, because, you know, it takes time, it takes energy, it takes a lot out of my time. But you know, I've learned to love it. So that's why I'm here, and that's why I'm here to help you guys. So, hey, this year was awesome. For me, it was an incredible year. 2018, I started this channel on YouTube, and I got 675 subscribers right now. When I started, I only had, I think I had 12 when I started, and then most of them were family and friends. I had only posted maybe, when I started this, I had posted a couple of videos last year, and they were like ad videos that I used this other video program to generate them, but nothing that I edited myself, nothing that I ever just did by myself. They're just ideas of what I wanted to do, and then from there it's built myself up. This year I developed over 300 videos. I think it was over 40 or something tutorials, 16 vlogs. This is number 216. That will be the last one. You know, it's been fun, you know, so I'm not stopping here, guys. I don't quit. I don't stop. And when I get into something, I always go hard, and that's why, and that's why I feel that I have something to offer to you guys, because I want you guys to discover that you know what, you guys want all this, you guys want what I have, you guys want to be where I'm at, then you guys got to work hard, because this doesn't come easy, and it's not easy. Nothing is for nothing. Nothing comes easy. Anything you want in life is you're gonna have to work hard for it. And that's the bottom point, you know. And it's about developing a mindset, you know. And tomorrow when you wake up, it's gonna be a new year. It's gonna be 2019. So, you know, hey, start up something new. Start, you know, set some goals, you know, and work towards those goals, and try to develop yourself. Try to develop your skills. Try to develop your game, you know. And this is what it is. It's about building it up and getting better. And we all have goals, and you know, it's about getting up and grinding hard. If you don't grind hard, if you're not grinding hard, then you got to push yourself, motivate yourself. It's a developmental state, and that goes for anybody. I don't care if you're a student, if you're a new licensee barber, and you're working at a shop and you're not making that much money. You're thinking, maybe I got into the wrong business. You know what? I was there. I second-guessed my career. I thought, like, man, maybe this is not for me. Maybe this is, even though my family's been in this business, maybe this is not for me. And, you know, I second-guessed myself, and you know what? And I said, no. You just got to grind harder. You got to keep going. And every year got better. Every year got better. Every year has gotten better. Right now, I'm on it's going to be my 17th year as a barber. So, you know, every year's gotten better, and every year will get better for you. You just got to hang in there, grind hard, and continue to work. Continue to work, guys. That's all I can say to you, is just continue to work, and you know what? Stay humble, help out the next guy, and always help the lower guy below you, you know? Always. And hopefully the guys above us will help me, to build me up. That way I can help you guys and pull everybody. Everybody pulls everybody up. That's what it's all about. But I always try to be positive. I always try to have a positive perspective on everything. I hope everybody, all of you guys out there, have a blessed and great New Year's, and I hope you guys are all with your families. I know some of the East Coast, by the time you guys all see this, it's already going to be. Right now, for me, it's only 5 p.m. right here on the Pacific Coast. So we have 7 more hours before New Year's. So right now, I'm going to go do a little bit of shopping, get prepped. I don't really have to cook nothing. Mom's handling that tonight, so we're just going to hang out. It's nothing big tonight. We're going to hang out, have a little bonfire, listen to some reggae music, and pass this New Year's off with some good vibes. Hey, guys, cheers to you, me, to you guys. Happy New Year's, and I hope next year is as good as this year, if not better. I mean, if you guys work hard and prosper hard, I guarantee you guys everything will be better, guys. With that being said, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys next year. But I'm going to try to do a little bit of vlogging later tonight, just throw some clips in there for you, but it's probably not going to make any sense because I'm going to be pretty drunk. I'm not going to lie to you. It's New Year's Eve. You have to drink. You have to drink a couple of Chardonnays. Come on, guys. Happy New Year's, guys.
DJI, even though so much imparted. But she have to do her own thing, cause she can never live a life for them. Not knowing that she will look back when, to the time where she couldn't explain to him past them. And she didn't know to tell him she was in love with the Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding. And she didn't know